I came to Cell City for a routine inspection, but apparently, today, the entire city is preparing to divide. First, an important GCSE point. The DNA is copied before mitosis begins, so both new cells can receive the same genetic information. DNA copied? Check. Now mitosis begins. During prophase, the chromosomes condense and the nuclear membrane starts to break down. Next, metaphase. Everybody in line! The chromosomes line up across the middle of the cell. Then comes anaphase. The chromosome copies separate and are pulled to opposite ends of the cell. During telophase, new nuclear membranes form around each set of chromosomes. We now have two nuclei, but still one cell. Finally, during cytokinesis, the cytoplasm divides and the original cell separates into two. And there we have it, two genetically identical daughter cells, each containing the same genetic information. Mission complete! DNA was copied first, then mitosis and cytokinesis produced two genetically identical daughter cells.
Smart tuition online, log in, level up, it's your time to shine. Learn smart, dream bold, make your future glow. Smart tuition online, let your knowledge grow. Smart tuition, that online. Smart tuition, future's mine. Smart tuition online, where every mind shines.